What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So as I was telling you guys, I'm going to post videos. I'm going to at least try to get 4 a week. At the least amount, I'll get at 2 videos, but just keep on looking at my comment section. I will give you updates. But you guys have been phenomenal. You guys have been smashing that like button, and I encourage you guys to do that. The more likes that I see, the more that YouTube can see it, the more videos I'm going to post for you guys, because I love doing stock and dividend analysis videos, even on stocks that I'm considering that I don't even own. But Pfizer is one stock that I own, and it's a very interesting stock, not only because of the vaccine, but this is a stock that I really like. It's one of my top 5 favorite stocks. It yields a very nice dividend. And, people freaked out about the Dow dropping them, but why? I'm going to show you why I love Pfizer, and I'm going to continue to buy Pfizer. I really think that in the future, this is a great stock for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to provide my rationale as to why I like Pfizer. I think it's a phenomenal pharmaceutical company. I think there's people are pretty negative on Pfizer, but I love Pfizer, and I'm going to show you why right now. So Pfizer is sitting at $35.59. Pfizer is a very interesting pharmaceutical stock. I'm actually going to be getting, I have my stimulus money, but I'm waiting 2 paychecks, and I'm going to throw money in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio with Pfizer because this is a great stock. I have it right around 6%. I'll show you how many shares I own at the end of this video. But this is a stock that makes billions of dollars. It is a phenomenal stock. It's not just the vaccine that makes this company what it is. It is a powerful stock. It owns a lot of things. As a nurse, I work in the hospital. They own Hospira, and a lot of, they're almost like a conglomerate, okay? They own IV bags, which is crazy. They own a lot of products like statins, antibiotics. A lot of their products that they have in the hospital, people use. So that's one thing that makes this a phenomenal stock. I went into a lot of detail, a lot of the products that they sell. If you want me to discuss that in the future, I'll be glad to do another video on a lot of products that Pfizer carries. I better know them because I'll be taking pharmacology this semester in my nurse practitioner program. So I better know a lot of these medications. A lot of these medications I pass on a lot of my patients. And a lot of these, unfortunately, people are getting sicker. And a lot of these products that Pfizer carries, beta blockers, statins, that helps people not get, we have core measures. I'm going to try to be as basic as possible, but we have things called core measures. So if somebody gets a MI, a heart attack, we have to follow certain medications to give them. And I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. I literally got my hair cut in that powder. I got the absorption from the powder, so I apologize from that. It caused me to sneeze, probably some hair too. But with Pfizer, these guys, they carry statins. That's one of their trademarks. They have obviously Viagra. That's one thing, but a lot of these products people need. Okay, people need beta blockers to relax the heart from working too hard. People that have issues, they have antibiotics. People need antibiotics to get better from bacterial infections. They have, a lot of medications to help people. Some medications are in demand. There's a lot of medications that they carry that are in demand. So if you would like for me to do another video on their products and why, one of the reasons why I invest in Pfizer, they're phenomenal products. I could probably give an hour lecture on all these medications that they carry. But the important thing is why I like the stock. One of them is the products. 2, it's way down. Okay, if you look at this, it was way down. okay, slowly getting back up. It's not to where it was. And it seems like it's just a little wishy-washy up and down. So to me, that's very attractive for a stock if you're a dividend investor. And I'm going to go into the stock as I just showed you how it's done, but let's check and see how its dividend has done. If you are an investor, I like it for the dividends. Some people, they say, oh, it's this and that. If you're a day trader trying to buy and sell and stuff, you may lose money on this one. So this is a stock for the long run. If you look and see how it's grown, slowly is the way it gets up. It's not really going to jump too fast. Okay, you just leave it alone, park your money, reinvest the dividends, let the stock do its job, and go from there. So, they've had a lot of hype with the vaccine, but this is what I like about these guys. The best part about them with their dividends is I'm going to reveal to you right now. So here's their website, and they show you how their dividends have increased over time from 20 cents to 22 to 24 to 26 to 28 to 30 to 32 to 30. So they're at 39 cents. Okay. Do they have a split history? 3-for-1 stock split in 1999. They did that. I doubt they'll do one in a little bit, but sometimes AT&T, but the Apple did a huge stock split, and a lot of people did benefit from that. So the thing with Pfizer, okay, it's increasing its dividend over time, has a very nice dividend yield, which I will go over in a second. But stock that's increasing its dividends, okay, compound interest kicks in. But let's check out its dividend percentage, its dividend yield, because you want a good bang for your buck when you invest in certain stocks. I like the 3 to 5% range for dividends or stocks that distribute dividends. I like to be a little bit more aggressive. Like I have AT&T for 7%. It's right around 6 to 7%. But let's see what percentage these guys are, because that's what you want to know too, and their PE ratio. That's important as well. So I like to refer myself to NASDAQ.com when I do stock and dividend analysis, either when I do videos or when I look at stocks. So it has a 4.33% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 20.68, not bad. Annual dividend of $1.56 just from buying one share of Pfizer. So I'm going to show you my dividend investing strategy and what I plan on doing with Pfizer, because I just love this stock. It's one of my top 5 favorite stocks. Let's see how much I have. 23.78 shares. I'm right at that 25 mark, but I want to keep on going with this. It has earned me $28.14 in dividends. Okay, $28.14 in dividends. So you're seeing the compound interest kick in from this stock. It's just going to keep on going. It's going to buy more shares over time. It's going to buy me more shares on my Death Star dividend portfolio. And what I did recently, I want you to watch my previous video on XYLD. I really like this stock. I bought 2 shares today. And XYLD yields right around 40 cents. Okay. It's a monthly dividend stock. QYLD is about 20 cents. And man, these guys with this high dividend yield are going to buy me way more. It's like 8.8%. They're going to buy me shares eventually of Pfizer. So these monthly dividends are going to keep on kicking in, and it's going to start buying more shares, and all these guys are going to start buying each other, buying more shares, buying more shares. I'm already starting to see it happen, because what I like about Pfizer in some stocks like AT&T, they distribute dividends at a different standpoint. I own 27 positions, and I want to at least get at 100 shares of Pfizer before I get happy. So I have 47 shares of LTC. I want these monthly dividends in LTC to buy Pfizer. So that's why I have a lot of monthly dividend stocks. Pembina Pipeline. A lot of these monthly dividend stocks will buy the other stocks. So that's my strategy and that's my plan. Because once I get to at least 25 shares in a lot of these stocks, things are going to be rolling. And these dividends are going to keep on increasing over time. And the sky is going to be the limit. So that's very promising and that's very powerful for my dividend portfolio, because some of these stocks distribute dividends at a certain time and I just am going to get a good bang for my buck. So that's why I invest in Pfizer. That's why my dividend portfolio is at $16,000, because of thank you, Pfizer. Okay. Price per share is down and I got a strike. I need to capitalize on Pfizer. I'm going to continue to buy more Pfizer. I have it at 6%. I just love the way things are playing part. And I'm going to start lowering, once I get to X amount of shares with some of these, I'm going to start decreasing the percentage. And I'm going to start letting these other stocks like Pfizer start get more piece of the pie, because they deserve some loving. Okay. QYLD is going to buy those guys. I'm really excited to see this compound interest grow on my dividend portfolio. It's only getting started. I mean, once I get to 25,000, I'll be a quarter of the way from my goal of reaching $100,000 for my dividend portfolio. Man, and those things are going to start pumping out dividends, and I'm going to be buying more shares, and it's just going to start getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's what excites me about having Pfizer in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. This is kind of like my retirement pension that I'm building. Hopefully by 55 or so. Some people are like, well, I'm retiring at 55. Well, I plan on working for a while and enjoying making YouTube videos. I continually will make YouTube videos for you guys. And this is what I like doing on my channel, is not sneezing, of course, but showing you guys what I'm doing, sharing my knowledge to you guys, showing you the power of compound interest, and showing you that it's possible to earn passive income. And I taught myself this, and I've started to learn a lot. I started to put money in stocks right around like 31, 32. And I thought I could do like penny stocks, but no, I learned how to make money from dividends. And I found a way to make compound interest kick in. I'm 35 years old. Imagine when I hit 50 and I'm putting this money in. I probably don't even have to put any money into this dividend portfolio, because these dividends are going to keep on flowing and flowing and buying more stocks. I could buy individual stocks and other things. And then I can get my goal of reaching $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends and $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends. That is easily possible. Okay. It's reachable. It's realistic. And I want to make some money. So I think you do too. So I don't plan on getting to like $50,000. I just don't think, maybe if I become a travel nurse or something, or, things go really well as a nurse practitioner, I'll start pumping more money in. I know that my bank account will start getting bigger and I can start putting more money in stuff. But I'm just excited. I'm just excited to have this channel for you guys, show you what I'm doing, and let the compound interest kick in, show you the beauty of compound interest. I'm a registered nurse, okay? I don't believe that a 403B or a 401k is enough for retirement, and this is why I post these videos and do stock and dividend analysis videos. I want you guys to have multiple sources of income, okay? I'm not here to, be jolly and show you how much money I make. I make this channel for you guys to show you what I'm doing to get to that goal or good stocks out there, because some people don't even know about certain stocks. I just didn't want a Medtronic. People like, wow, people don't know about Medtronic. I working in the medical field. I can tell you about their products that work. So that's one thing. Again, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm not paid to discuss things, but Medtronic's a damn good company. So those are stocks on my radar that I post for my videos. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Pfizer is one of my favorite stocks. If you are new, just keep on search Darth Dividend on YouTube. I have old videos that you can check out. I have a playlist and everything. Check those all out. There's some old stocks. Now, I do apologize. When I was a little bit of a newbie making videos, there's a little bit of a screeching sound. And this is why I bought myself a headset to discuss things. So I'm just really excited. I'm really excited to see your accounts come up. We are at 4,000 people strong, and things are just rolling. So I'm going to try to post a video on Saturday. So let me know what you think of this video. Are you feeling Pfizer? Are you not with Pfizer? You tell me. All right, take care. Have a good one.